Today I'm going to be straight piping this 2008 Lexus LS460. We're going to get a sound clip just sitting here in the shed to begin with, but this does have some rotted out mufflers. I believe the seam on the top is blowing out or something. It's a little noisier than it's supposed to be, but not as noisy as it's going to be after we have the mufflers out of here. I'm going to hop in, fire it up, and you'll get a sound clip with it before we begin. Look under here, we have, I believe, a pretty straight run. The pipe kind of comes and loops around on both sides. It's the same deal, and it looks like the angle that it comes into the muffler is just about where we need to be going out the back. So with any luck, I can just sawzall this pipe real close to the muffler on both sides, and then we'll get some straight pipe in there and try and line it up with the output and go from there. So here is part of the problem, if we're getting it on video. And yeah, lots of water in this thing. And you can see how rotted out. I can see right in a hole as I'm dumping water on myself. Lots and lots of water. I've not actually seen this much water in a muffler before. All right, and here is the bigger hole in this muffler. I'm kind of getting excited about this one. Those throttle blips were up to 4,500 RPMs and this engine redlines at 6,500. So there's a couple thousand more RPMs in it, but that's what it's sounding like, just up to 45, sitting here stationary up on the lift. I've got two 24-inch pieces of 2¼ inch pipe cut, and the 24-inch pieces fit up in here perfect, and they're a tad big for the factory size, but that's gonna work out well. It slides right over it and I'll be able to get it welded in. And then we're gonna support the back. I've got some rod, and we're gonna use a little bit of rod and use the factory hanger locations just to give a little support. We've got so much less weight here, we could probably get away without having any hangers in the back, but there's enough distance from the hangers next up right here that it's probably a good idea to just get it mounted in the back so that it doesn't move around and make contact with the tail pipes that are actually the tips that are actually part of the bumper cover. Here is the finished product. Got it welded on right there and pretty well centered in the hole. I did not put a hanger on here. I could, but I don't think it's gonna be a problem. Even when I hit this and get it to move around quite a bit there, it's not coming even close to anything in that housing back there. And it's the same deal over on this side. So I think we're gonna be in good shape. So we're gonna do another sound clip sitting here in the shed, and then we're gonna go out on the road and get one on the road.